Hello. Good morning, my beautiful little bumblebees. Don't you look rested and refreshed? Did you click on this video just because it said free? I don't blame you. I once drove over 6 lanes of traffic to get some free chicken nuggets. These are hardwood, laminate wood, some kind of wood samples from Home Depot, not a woodologist. They're all Pergo Outlast, and they're free. Don't be a jerk about taking them, but you could go get a couple because maybe you're thinking about renovating that one room. They all come with this foam on the back, which I'm pretty sure is how they're installed. You can take the foam off, but it's very hard. So I peel the stickers off, and I'm going to put them together like that. So these are just 3 shades of a gray wood. I think it's an oak, and I'm turning my glue gun to high, and I would switch to my Gorilla Glue sticks, but I already had a regular glue stick in there. It held fine, so don't stress about that. I've got some raffia, because of course I do. I have some wax twine. I have a couple of little things. And I have the Harvest Thankful and Welcome letters from Dollar Tree. I bought these when they first came out like 2 months ago and haven't used them for anything yet. I also have those burlap maple leaves. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these 3 pieces together, and you can see one edge has like a tongue and groove kind of deal going on, and then one edge is flat. So I just made sure that all the flat edges were together to get better adhesion. I'm applying the glue, and when I'm putting them together, I'm angling the one on the right side and then pushing it down, so if there's any leakage of the glue, it comes out the back and it doesn't come on the front. I'm doing the same thing with this one. Up and then down. And at this point, it was really firm. As you can see, me trying to knock it apart, but just to be on the safe side, I'm adding some of these extra large tongue depressors, popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them. These are from Walmart. You could use paint stars, I guess, while you're at Home Depot stealing the wood. I mean, getting the wood to figure out what you want to do your makeover in that upstairs bathroom with. You could get a paint stick or 2. And I just went right on top of the foam because the foam is adhered really well, especially around the edges. So again, it's sturdy. And now on this side, since it's going to be the top, I'm going to attach my wax twine first. And I'm pulling it over so it's pretty straight, and then letting out just a little bit of slack, because I want to glue on top of this and I don't want the cord to become stretched out. And then another jumbo popsicle stick or paint star that you got because you were thinking about repainting that bedroom. And there it is. It's pretty sturdy. Now I'm going to figure out which word I want to put on here. I tried them all, ended up going with the Harvest. I was determined to use one of these leaves, but it's a little bright. So I'm thinking about it. Maybe in the middle. That looks a little bit better, but I don't know. I don't know, bumblebees. No. Okay, this looks okay, but no. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh, around here. We could try that. Oh, there's no way that's gonna look stupid. Oh wait, it does, and it gets all tangled up. Okay. But we like that, in theory. So I'm gonna wrap some around this edge right here. And the main reason I did this is because I knew there was no way I was going to get that harvest centered. So if I have a little bit of interest on one side, it will give me a little bit of leeway if the harvest goes on off center. Quick tip. And that's just some piece of the Dollar Tree cotton. Now, I'm afraid you guys are going to have to watch me try to glue down this sign for the next 83 minutes. I got it on there. I don't show it because I wanted to pretend like I was cool and I knew what I was doing. But this immediately popped off. And then I glued it on again. And it pops off a couple more times. In the end, we figure out that for some reason we cannot glue galvanized metal to laminate flooring. I ended up using super glue, not my preferred method. Would have rather used E6000, but did not have any. So now I'm just wrapping this around the corner. And I like that this is a little bit warmer. It contrasts with the grayness of the oak. That's going to look great in your upstairs bathroom. Pulling that tight and leaving some tails. And I'm going to straighten it up on the back and add a little glue so it doesn't slip around. This piece of whatever it is was from a bush I bought from Walmart to do my fall wreath in. I actually found it on my floor when I was sweeping, and I was like, I'll keep that for something, and then I actually used it. Now, there you go. See, the signs popped up again. Pretend like it's not there. That's what I did. I'm adding some little bits of cotton. Can I confess to you guys that the little things on the side of the cotton, those shiny brown things, I think they look like roaches. You're going to think that now too, I hope, so I'm not the only one. And I glued it down again. So there we go. Quick sign. The only thing you have to pay for is the words. You can probably find the rest of the stuff around your house, and you know you probably have those words around your house. But like I said, go to the flooring section, pick out a couple of samples, try to limit yourself, but don't worry about it cutting into Home Depot's bottom line because the company sends these for free. So have fun and let me know what you guys think you can do with these. If you remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, follow me on Instagram, share with your friends, I would greatly appreciate it. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.